So this is hand healing. This is the first level of Reiki where you learn hand healing. What is the first part? What is the first
Eyes.
thing? Ice. So you have to just keep your hand like this, like a cup, like a pyramid, because the energy will form in the center of your hand, in the palm, and it starts flowing through your fingers, tip of fingers. So that's the way it is. For the eyes, you have to keep your hand like this. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay? What is the next part?
Temples.
Okay. Now every part minimum 3 minutes. How much?
Minimum 3 minutes.
Yeah, you have to keep a timer. You can keep a mobile timer minimum 3 minutes, because what happens now, you have just kept the hands for few seconds, you feel the heat, but if you keep for 3 minutes, you will feel more heat, right? The heat is what, that is what healing happening. Minimum 3 minutes, but when you are placing hands on your body, certain body parts will tell you to keep it for some more time. Your body will talk to you. Like if you place hands on your stomach, your body will tell you, let the hands be there for some more time. It can be 4 minutes, it can be 5 minutes, because your body will tell you, your parts will tell you, you will feel better. You will start enjoying that particular process because the heat is generating, right? So first is eyes, second is temples.
Temple.
Temple is this. Okay,
Okay.
this is the way it is. Entire area, this temple. What is next?
Next is ears.
Both the ears. Okay.
Cheek. J.
Next.
Both hands at the back of the head.
Okay. Now both the hands, not are one top of other, one below other. This way.
Okay.
Okay. This
ठीक
way.
है.
This is covering your entire back. Okay.
J.
Entire back is covered. Okay. It can be any hand up or down. It's not that any hand up and down. Okay.
Okay.
Now what is next?
Front and back of third eye chakra.
Okay. Now this is third eye. This is third eye here. Okay. One hand here and one hand here.
Here. Okay.
Okay. One hand. So now when you're healing this and this, there is one inside your brain, there is one gland called pineal gland. Okay, that you can write
J.
it down, you google it, you'll understand what is pineal gland. Okay, pineal, pineal gland.
J.
Pineal gland is the gland which shows you the past, present and future.
Okay.
When I am telling you that that there was discussion happened at the Vishalakshi temple, that pineal gland is showing me the message कि this is what happened there.
Okay.
See, the people with Kundalini Shakti activation, I am in the process of activation. I am not fully awakened, but yes, but it's a live experience what you are feeling. I'm not. I don't fake. You are talking to me from last 2 years, so whatever relevant I say, right? So when you're
J.
healing this part and this part, you are activating pineal gland. Plus, you are activating your third eye. Okay. Now, when you are healing this part, whatever you have been listening all these years, listening, reading, talking to people, everything gets stored here. So when you are healing this part, what it will do is, what is good information for you will remain here. What is not required will automatically start releasing. It will start moving out from there. So some certain part of the body you will feel more heat. That heat is the healing happening that place. Okay. What is
Okay.
next?
Next is side of the neck.
Both the hands on the both sides of the neck,
Okay.
this way. Okay. Very
J.
clear, right?
Clear.
Very clear. So on the right side of the neck, there is a one nerve called vagus nerve. VAGUS. Write it down. Vagus nerve.
VEGAS.
VAGUS. Vagus.
US. Okay.
I think it might be spelling might be wrong, but if you type vagus nerve, it will show. You
J.
see that is the nerve which controls your heartbeat. Which that my vagus nerve was little not right. That is the reason my heartbeat increased. Vagus nerve is the connected to brain. From brain it connected to this to the entire body. That keeps you calm. That is the nerve which activates the calmness in your body. The relaxation that only gives. So when you're healing the both sides of the neck, you're healing the neck. You're healing your with this part. You're healing your jaw also. You're healing your entire teeth also. Especially ladies with thyroid problem. When they heal this part, their thyroid problem comes into control, right?
ओके जी.
What is the next part now?
इसका है फ्रंट ऑफ थ्रोट चक्रा.
Okay, this is the throat chakra. One hand. You can keep any hand, either left or right. Here, a hand doesn't matter. Right is same, left is same. Okay, the energy flows same. One hand here, like this. Okay,
ओके
throat chakra. Right.
जी.
Next.
इसके बाद है लंग्स टिप्स.
Okay, lungs tips है आपके जो कॉलर बोन है आपके दो कॉलर बोन.
जी.
Cross both the hands. Keep it on the collar bone.
ओके.
Okay. So when you
ठीक
keep
है.
it like this, that particular energy will flow to both the lungs.
ओके.
So it helps in functioning of the lungs to maximum capacity.
ओके.
People with asthma, people with lung issues, if they heal, if they every day if they heal it, of course medicine is required. This is alternate medicine, but body efficiency increases. The blocks get released. Okay, what is next?
हार्ट चक्रा.
Heart chakra, again heart chakra is here, center of the chest. One hand, you can either you can keep both the hands or any one hand. Okay, that is heart chakra.
ओके.
What is next?
सोलर प्लेक्सस.
Solar plexus is when you where your rib ends, na?
ओके.
This is solar plexus.
जी.
That is called Manipura chakra in Hindi.
मणिपुरा चक्रा. जी.
इसको बोलते हैं आज्ञा चक्रा, इसको बोलते हैं विशुद्ध चक्रा, इसको बोलते हैं अनाहता, इसको बोलते हैं मणिपुरा, इसको बोलते हैं स्वादिष्टाना हारा को, एंड योर रूट इज मूलाधारा चक्रा. ठीक है.
मूल. जी.
ओके. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट?
लीवर.
Liver. Where is liver? Liver is in your right side. Okay. You can place both the hands like this. Okay. Now what is next?
स्प्लीन कॉमा पैनक्रियाज.
Okay. That is left side. Both.
ओके.
So when you are healing spleen, pancreas and liver, you are increasing the immunity of your body.
ओके.
Whatever undigested food which is there in the liver and pancreas and spleen, that gets cleared. You will feel it. And especially people with sugar problem, insulin problem, the pancreas, when you heal pancreas, the sugar will come into control. Okay.
ओके.
It can whatever the stuff which is stuck there, the food which is not required will start flushing out. Okay. What is next?
हरा. हरा.
Hara is your swadhisthana, just below the abdomen.
ओके. ये नाभि के नीचे या ऊपर?
जा बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक है, नाभि के नीचे. Now that
नाभि
is
के
a place that is a place where reproduction happens. That is a place for your sexuality. That is a place for your creativity. That is a place for your relationships. Okay. If that is blocked, then you won't you even though you have a life partner, she won't be good with you. Relationship will not be stable. Your creativity won't work. If that is over imbalance, then you will not be happy with one partner. You will have multiple partners. Keeps on going. Okay. What is next?
ओवरीज स्लैश रूट चक्रा.
Yeah. So you have to keep hands on both the groins, inner thighs. Okay. It should touch your private parts. Okay. So just inner thighs को रखिए. So when you are doing that, you are healing your inner thighs, you are healing your private part. Then it goes to your root chakra also. ठीक है.
ओके.
Okay. What is next?
उसके बाद नीज.
Okay. You can keep both the hands on both the knees like this.
ओके.
So in one shot you are healing both the knees.
जी. ठीक है.
What is
उसके
next?
बाद एंकल्स. एंकल्स.
Ankles के लिए any ankle you can take, either right or left. One hand remains here, one hand remains here. So both sides of the ankle.
जी.
Okay.
तो ये दोनों में करना होगा या एक में ही हो जाएगा?
दोनों पैर अलग अलग करना पड़ेगा आपको.
अलग अलग.
दोनों अलग अलग. पहले एक any leg first time, either this one or that one. Okay. Then the next leg you can do it like this also, your wish. Next क्या है?
फिर फीट सोल.
Feet
फीट
soles.
सोल.
दोनों हाथ है, दोनों फीट सोल पे ऐसे रख दीजिए आप,
ऐसे, ओके।
तो एक ही बार में दोनों हो जाएगा, ठीक है,
जी।
राइट.
जी।
Now this
फिर
finishes the front part of your body. Okay.
जी।
This finish. The 17 parts of the body is finished. Now
जी।
what is next?
अब बैक ऑफ द बॉडी में है शोल्डर।
Shoulder के लिए, lung tip के लिए you are doing the collar bones, right?
जी।
Shoulder के लिए both the hands on the both the shoulders.
ओके।
You can't keep it like this because and the hands will pain. So you have to keep it crossed so you're comfortable. You can place it both the shoulders. Okay. When you're healing your shoulders, lot of stress from your neck, your back will reduce, because the office burden, the future burden, the burden of the income, everything stays here. Okay.
जी।
Shoulder pair. So when you're placing hand, that is it. Then what is next?
बैक ऑफ थ्रोट चक्रा।
Okay. Now back of throat chakra, again you have to place your hand here and one hand back,
ओके।
right?
ठीक है, फ्रंट
So
में
you,
सिर्फ एक ही रखा था, बैक
हाँ,
में दोनों जगह।
अभी बैक पे दोनों जगह रखना है, सामने एक पीछे एक, ठीक है. मैं ये क्यों
राइट।
रखना है मैं आपको बाद में बोलूंगा, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट,
ओके। हार्ट चक्रा।
हार्ट चक्र, अगेन वन हैंड ऑन हार्ट
जी।
चक्र, सेम
फिर
3 minutes.
अगेन
What is
सोलर
next?
प्लेक्स।
सोलर प्लेक्स, अगेन सेम प्लेस. यस.
फिर
नेक्स्ट,
किडनीज।
किडनीज के लिए बोथ द हैंड्स ऑन बोथ द किडनीज बैक.
ओके, इधर।
दो साइड्स में भी किडनी होते हैं, just
जी। जी।
just below your waist. I mean, between your below your, I mean, between your waist. Okay, when your waist ends, so both the hands back. Okay,
ओके।
both the hand. What is next?
हारा।
Hara, which is Swadhisthana below the abdomen.
जी।
Okay,
और
then
लास्ट में वही एक है, बेस ऑफ द स्पाइन।
इस टाइम में आप हाथों को नीचे नीचे रख के बैठ जाइए हाथों के ऊपर, ठीक है.
ओके।
Then with that your entire base you are covering, ठीक है, you're covering
जी।
entire base. When you do that, after that do one thing for couple of minutes, 2 minutes, your जो tip of tailbone है ना, where your spine ends, you place both the hands on the tip also for some time,
ओके।
because the kundalini shakti which is there, the kundalini shakti lies between your rectum and your private part का जो space है वहां पे kundalini shakti रहती है, ठीक है. So when you are
Okay.
healing that tailbone, you are activating that energy. Okay. So and tailbone, when you're healing, the energy rises through your spine. If your spine is clear, that means all your chakras are clear. Your everything will be in one place.
Okay.
Okay. Now you are clear with the each body part how to heal.
जी।
I mean, you remember, right? Anyway, you have taken the video, so you please check the video again. Start healing
जी।
yourself.